When we get hired by MERS Drilling, our data is collected, created, and kept in the system. Our records include personal and employment information such as contract type, position, and salary. Imagine creating more than 30,000 records, and 10,000 of those needs to be updated, could be on a weekly or monthly basis. Does that sound crazy? A team located in the business district of Makati City, Philippines, is responsible for this, and these people are on a mission to create, validate, and maintain data integrity of employee records in the system. The team is divided into two, the TalentSoft and IFS teams. Who are they? What exactly do they do? And what is the importance of having employee records? I introduce you to Ray, Ryan, and Emily.
Hi, Mas Daily. My name is Ryan, and I'm one of the master data specialists under Employee Master Data, handling the TalentSoft system. We are responsible for all requests dealing with employee data record in TalentSoft, which includes creation of employee profile upon hiring or onboarding request, as well as inactivation of record for termination request. We do manage the organization and position changes, transfer of legal entities, and leave maintenance. We also maintain salary information and benefits for regular employees and updates in employees' personal information like their phone numbers and home address. We make sure that the data we have in TalentSoft is accurate and updated because TalentSoft is the main source of data that flows into different systems like in IFS, MIM and AD, MS Teams, and Quinix.
Hi, my name is Emily and I work with Ryan. Did you know that it was only last December 2020 when we have changed our main HR system from SAP to TalentSoft? The difference is that SAP HR is on-premise while TalentSoft is a web-based system. The good thing about TalentSoft is that it is more user-friendly, data's integrity and safety is assured, and can save time in manual processes. In line with this change, new work alignment has been implemented. MDM here in Manila is now responsible only for the requests intended for onshore employees, while offshore employee records are being managed by crewing team in Gdansk.
In addition, we are in close collaboration with different teams like Employee Cycle in Poland, local HR in our shore-based locations like Norway, Singapore, and UK, HRBPs, as well as with the line managers of different departments.
It's also a great opportunity to discuss with you all some tasks that are beyond our scope. As much as we would like to help with requests like access granting concern, we cannot help as we do not have that capability. We are not also handling requests for offshore employee record. And lastly, even if we are the one maintaining your salary information in TalentSoft, we are not part of the payroll team and we cannot attend to any salary calculation concerns.
With records being created in the main HR system, next thing to do is sync it in IFS. And this task falls on the shoulders of the IFS Employee Master Data Team. Meet Claude and Jeff.
Hi, Mas Daily. I'm Claude. If Ryan and Ems are in charge of creating and updating records in TalentSoft, we are in charge of ensuring that IFS employee data are in sync with the main HR system. It is important that IFS records remain in sync with their TalentSoft data since this may impede an employee's ability to perform certain IFS functions. For example, if an offshore's IFS employee record is not created or has inaccurate data, he may not be accessible or visible in CAS. In relation to financial transactions, incorrect employee records may result a manager to not authorize his or her subordinates' expenses. Thankfully, we now have migration jobs that run on a regular basis to perform these data synchronizations. Those which were unprocessed are then left for our team to be manually corrected, and these are caught through our DQIs.
Hi, Jeff here, Master Data Quality Administrator. Sometimes, our stakeholders will submit requests to provide them access, but same with talents, this is not our primary responsibilities. The only access we provide is the TEM possession access for expected employees or managers, as well as possession hierarchy updates for CAS setups. The 2LS IC team live shifted this possession access setup to us in the last quarter of 2021. This possession access affects how managers may approve and authorize expenses for their teams and how offshore can view other users in the CAS screen.
Just a heads up that if we receive CAS-related issues such as offshores missing from the CAS screen, assessments displaying 0% and so on, it is not entirely due to the way IFS employee master data is configured. With this in mind, we'll contact other teams for assistance, such as CISAS or provision team, so that they can create person data or select the proper default site and default company of the employee.
While we are at it, we'd like to introduce you to some of the other teams we frequently collaborate with. The TS Master Data and Growing team are first on the list for when we have issues or concern with TS data and affects our IFS processing. Internal controls, finance, and project teams are all part of the 2LS IFS team who will also work or reach out to if needed. Powell, our information architect for NDDQR-related issues, and Jamie, a co-worker from Singapore who helped our team by designing migration jobs that allow data to be automatically synchronized from TS to IFS.
If you found this video informative, please head to Connect to raise your concerns, questions, or requests relating to employee records. Hey everybody! Thank you so much for watching MAS Daily. MAS means Master Data and Daily means we have everyday videos for your master data needs. And we are on a mission to show you the different worlds of master data management. So please like and subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss any of our videos. We think anyone who wants to know more about master data management should know them. Thank you and see you soon.